Hi all, welcome to my video for today where I talk you through my vlogging setup for travel. It's, I could take a big camera or anything like that, but luggage requirements, things like that. I do, for my main videos, use a Sony camcorder. I think it's the AX53 model. Link in the description box down below. But when I'm vlogging, I actually use a GoPro. Mine is the GoPro Hero 8. I've had it for a couple of years. I did use my phone for my Birmingham vlog. Check out the link either in the card or in the description box down below. And it was okay. But my video that I posted about the new beginning for this channel was actually done on my GoPro. And I think I like that better. Anyway, so I actually have the GoPro Hero 8, which is this little one here. This is why I'm using it, because it is tiny. This is just the camera on its own, so I can charge it when I need to. I also have the little screen for it with the little hot shoe and the media mod. So that's my basic vlogging setup. So all this together, I'm just charging this in my car at the moment. It's easier to charge it that way. I also have a number of these boxes. So this is a part of a set I got on Amazon. It was like a 15-1 set. I don't use everything from that set. These are aftermarket accessories, but this big box houses a lot of my stands. So, and my other cases, so my little silicone case, my extra doors for my waterproof housing, my skeleton door in that one. It had, these came with these like a anti-moisture wicking thing, my floating grip, a selfie stick which I got in the 15-1 set, a little suction cap one which I got in the 15-1 set, the floaty that sticks onto the back door for the GoPro, my waterproof housing for the actual GoPro one, my GoPro head strap, another little tripod that I got for like the little 15-1 set, always extra little sticky bits and pieces, and my GoPro little cloth that I got for the screen protectors that I have on my GoPro. So that's in this big box. I've probably opened that up the wrong way for you. And this is a big box I like because it'll hold my stands and my handles, that sort of thing. So that's that one. I'll Amazon link it in the description box. My original style GoPro hard shell case, which mostly just has in here all of my, oh my gosh, it has all of like these sort of things. So my mounts, my grips, that sort of thing. The ones that I don't need day to day, but if I need to do something like specific, always try and buy the pieces and then ship them back home. And then there's one my little soft case, which I do want to get more of these because these are really handy to have for all sorts of things. I might use this one for my iPhone cables and chargers and things when I travel, and get a whole heap more of these. So in this one I have all of my screws up the top. So all my screws go into this little top section. So this is what it's got in it at the moment. Screws in the top section because I have my Rode white Lavalier Go mic, which I actually use for the GoPro. I plug that into the back of the media mod and that then just sits here. I have my spare battery and my battery charging block. I want to get more of these. I have my in-car dual. I have a couple of cables, so the GoPro cables to charge them. Always an extra glasses cleaning cloth. The actual store for the GoPro camera that came with the camera. I have my GoPro mount. So this is my tripod mount holder. I actually have two of my camera charger, so my Nikon D56 charger things in here because I just went away. I also have a little tool thing for my GoPro. This little Duvalaki thing that'll add extra sort of angles to my GoPro. And then two SD card readers, one for my computer, one for my phone. And then a computer, then my laptop's USB-C to USB-A cable, so I can plug my GoPro into that directly. I also have one of these little mounts in here because it fell out somewhere else. So that's my GoPro sort of gear, but my main setup is the battery charger, the cable, the mic, the SD card reader, the media mod, and yeah, it all gets packaged into here, and this is what I take with me when I go anywhere. So that's it. That's my GoPro setup. Yeah, subscribe to this channel if you want more travel and lifestyle content. I just thought I'd show you what's easy for me to travel vlogging. See you in the next one.